Did you know that Chrome recently updated its right-click menu and added some seriously useful features that most people have not even noticed yet? In this video, I am going to walk you through 5 of them one by one and show you exactly how each one works. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. The first one is Emoji. You can see it at the very top of the right-click menu with the shortcut Windows key plus period. This means anytime you are typing anywhere in Chrome, you do not need to right-click at all. Just press the Windows key and the period key together and the emoji picker opens instantly. Pick any emoji and it gets inserted right where your cursor is. Most people have no idea this shortcut exists. Number 2, Help Me Write. This is the most powerful one. Right-click inside any text field and click Help Me Write. The first time you use it, Chrome will show you a privacy notice explaining that your text and page content will be sent to Google. Click OK to continue. After that, the Help Me Write panel opens with your existing text inside it. You will see 3 buttons: Polish, Elaborate, and Formalize. Polish cleans up your writing. Elaborate makes it longer and more detailed. Formalize makes it sound more professional. Select the one you want and hit Create. Chrome will generate an improved version of your text. Then you can refine it further, undo, redo, or just hit Replace to apply it directly to the text field. It works like Grammarly, but it is built right into Chrome with no extension needed. And one more thing, after you close the panel you will notice a small Continue Writing button appears near your text field so you can reopen it anytime without right-clicking again. This one is really interesting. When you are typing a long message or an email in any text field, right-click and select Open in Reading Mode. It opens a clean panel that shows whatever you have typed in a large distraction-free layout. But here is where it gets powerful. Look at the toolbar at the top. You can hit the play button and Chrome will read your text out loud for you. You can also control the speed, so if it is too fast or too slow, just adjust it to whatever feels comfortable. You can change the text size if you want it bigger or smaller. You can even change the background color to make it easier on your eyes. So it is not just a reading view, it is actually a full-featured tool. Let me play it for you right now so you can hear how it sounds.
What are you working on? Hey everyone, please like the video. Your support helps us create more content you'll enjoy. Thanks for watching.
Now this one confused me at first too. When Chrome detects a spelling mistake, it underlines the word in red. If you just right-click on it without selecting it first, you will see Language and Settings options, which is not what you want. Here is the correct way to do it. First, select the misspelled word by double-clicking on it or dragging your mouse over it. Then right-click on the selected word. Now you will see the correct spelling suggestion appear at the very top of the menu in gray. Click it and Chrome fixes the word instantly. That one extra step of selecting the word first is the trick that most people miss. The last one is Writing Direction. Right-click in any text field, hover over Writing Direction and you get 2 options, left to right and right to left. This is extremely useful if you write in Urdu or Arabic because those languages go from right to left. Just switch the direction and your text alignment changes immediately without needing to change any settings. So those are 5 right-click features in Chrome on Windows 11 that most people never use. The Emoji Shortcut, Help Me Write, Reading Mode, Spell Check, and Writing Direction. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips. See you in the next one.